What's the meaning of ack-ack? Ack-ack. 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 Ack-ack is a slang term that was commonly used during the World War II era to describe anti-aircraft artillery fire. The term was derived from the sound made by the guns firing, which sounded like ack-ack-ack. Anti-aircraft artillery played a crucial role in defending against enemy aircraft during the war. The primary purpose of ack-ack was to target and shoot down enemy planes, thus protecting troops and civilians on the ground. Ack-ack fire was typically heavy and erratic, making it difficult for pilots to evade. Despite its intimidating sound, ack-ack was not always effective in stopping enemy aircraft, but it did provide a significant deterrent against aerial attacks.